One day in the island of Sodor, Percy was hopping and hopping along the line with a set of candles and an oil tanker. Yeah. Percy puffed as high as he could. He fell down the unsafe bridge. Oh crap! How do I get up? Little did Percy know this would only light the candles, as his steam was so hot to the point it lit the candles. Wait, what? Percy tried his hardest and hardest. The bridge was starting to collapse. And then Percy fell down. Percy was left there for several days, when suddenly Thomas puffed in. Oh, where could Percy be? It's been so long. Thomas decided to sing a song because it's been so long. Huh? What's that? Thomas, help me. Oh my god, it's Percy. I finally found him. I'll help you, Percy. I'll go get Nia, Diesel, and the others. They'll probably know what to do.